Welcome to the channel. Here we master tricky words and their meanings. Today we're tackling a word that's often used in art and color descriptions, vermilion. It might look a bit tricky, but by the end of this video, you'll be able to pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is vermillion. Let's break it down. First we have ver, which sounds like the ver in very. Next is mil, which rhymes with fill and is stressed. Then comes yun, which sounds like the yun in million. Now, let's put it all together. Vermilion. Try repeating after me, vermilion. Now a little faster, vermilion. And at full speed, vermilion. Keep practicing, and soon, this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Vermilion refers to a bright red to reddish-orange color, often used in painting and art. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce vermilion and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.